Welcome back to the vlog. For today we are getting ready for a fall theme video. We're going to be trying to prep for some activities, some fall theme activities that we're going to create for my son. So there is not much space for screen time. I must do screen time while he's in the car because he hates being in the car, but as long as we are in the house, I would like to have some activities set up so he can play and I wouldn't have to put the TV for him so he can be entertained. Okay, so we're gonna go to the woods. We're gonna pick up some leaves, some pine cones, some sticks. We're also gonna go grocery shopping to make some snacks, some fall themed snacks. And we also need to go to... ¿Qué es esto que tienes tú aquí, amor? Can you tell me how did he fit this cup inside his pants? So like I was saying, we're gonna go do a little shopping as well, so we can prep for everything that is needed for the fall theme activities. And yeah, it's also going to be fun for me. And we need to do all this before it's nap time, because if not, someone is gonna be cranky. So let's go. Oh yes. We just finished from our first stop. I just finished from doing the groceries, dude. I'm so tense. I need to talk about this. You know, I live in Spain, right? There is a white supremacist, yeah, we could call it white supremacist politic party called Vox here in Spain, right? They don't like to claim it, you know, the racist people never like to claim it, but they are racist. Okay. So I went to the supermarket to get the groceries and to get the little groceries, you know, some apples, some pastry that I want to do the snacks for my kid. I walk in, I get there with the car and I see their politics stand. So there has been a natural disaster happening here in Spain, in Valencia. It's called the Dana. It was like a storm. Spain is not really prepared for storms or any type of natural disaster. So it was like a heavy storm. It rained a lot. The rivers got flooded. The streets got flooded. A lot of people suffer. A lot of people die. And that doesn't normally happen here. So people is concerned and people is giving donations and everything. And I was like, oh great, they are giving donations. But it happened that what came to my mind is like, okay, well, great, they're giving donations. It's gonna be an opportunity for me to donate. Okay. But the people that is receiving the donations, that's the problem. It was this people party, folks, right? They had a stand in every single floor of the supermarket, and I park normally. I get there, I grab the car. The lady that is taking the donations, the food stamps, or the food donations, she looks at me up and down. She's about to not even talk to me or not even ask me or not even tell me they are receiving donations. And she looks at my kid and it's kind of like, okay, the kid is white, or he's blonde, so let me just pass it. That's the vibe that I got. And I was like, because she looked at me so bad. And then she looked at my son. My son smiled at her. He waved at her, you know, like saying hi. And when something so sweet is looking at you and waving at you, you cannot, it doesn't matter how racist you fucking are, you cannot keep a straight face, okay? So that's, get me on one. I think my baby just melted her heart, and that's what got her to talk to me. But if not, listen, I did my groceries. That place was packed of those people. The customers look like them, you know. All of them dressed the same, okay? And you can definitely tell who they are, you know, like you can definitely tell that they are from that party. So I was so tense in the supermarket. I was like, okay, I'm gonna check on my list. And like everyone was just like staring at me weird when I was walking around. You know, I sometimes get imposter syndrome that I feel like maybe I'm exaggerating and I'm being too overly sensitive and stuff like that. But listen, I should allow myself to express what I feel. And when I feel observed and when I feel that people is looking at me badly, I'm not gonna disguise it as I'm just taking it the wrong way. No. See me, man. People were truly just looking at me badly. And people were like, if they were on my way, they would not move. And just like they would put the shopping cart just in the middle of the aisle, and they will not move it. And right when I picked out the things, I paid and everything, the cashier was rude as hell as well. I don't know why. Maybe he was just over it. But yeah. But yeah. And when I'm about to go to my car with the shopping bag and everything, this dude that is part of the party from the donations and everything, he's just talking to other people. He's in the middle, okay? There's no other way that I can move the car or just move myself to go around him. And I'm going to pass, and he will not move. And he saw me, he looked at me, and he just ignored me and kept talking to the other people and will not move. And I had to voice myself, and I had to say, excuse me. And I had to push the car a little bit, you know, to make sure that he will give me way. I'm a mother with her baby on her arm, okay, because he did not want to, he doesn't like sitting on the car or anything. So I'm carrying the baby, I'm pushing the car at the same time, and I'm asking this guy to move out of the way because he will not move. He saw me, he purposely ignored me, and he will not move out of the way. And I was just like, excuse me. And I went my way to the car. You know, I gave the donations and I went my way to the car. It's so upsetting. It's so disgusting that people still treat you like that just because they don't fucking know me. I don't even know who these fucking people are. I never seen them in my life. They don't know, like, what about me will give you the attitude that you gave me? Like, what did I do to you for you to behave towards me like that? Nothing. I did not do any. Present myself there. I show up there. That was my mistake. I was thinking when I got out of the house, I was thinking about going to another supermarket that I regularly go, but I was like, I don't have much time today. I'm gonna go to this supermarket because it's closer to the house stuff. and I went there and this happened. And see, I need to follow my instinct because I'm never going to that fucking supermarket ever again. But un corazón, amor. I just wanted to say that. Okay, we are on the second stop. This is not gonna stop my shine. Okay, we're gonna keep riding. This is the second stop. We are at a store. I need to buy a plastic bin, so we can do the sensory bin type of thing for my son. And yeah, let's go inside. I need to buy glue as well and a couple more things. I have the list up on my phone, so let's just go. Because the other ones I feel are too big, and this is like how many liters? 9 liters. I can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's not too expensive, and it has a lid and something that I can grab it from. Okay, so at the moment this is the shopping that I did for the crafts. I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you. We are making a little stop at home so I can just pee, basically. And he wasn't having such a bad time this time in the car, but every single time that I put him down on the car seat, he starts crying. Even if the car is moving, even if he has cartoons on, he doesn't want to be sitting in the car. We needed a break. So this beat, I'm gonna organize these groceries. I'm gonna grab a bag. We're gonna grab a plastic bag so we can go to pick up the cones and the leaves. And then the cones, the pine cones and the leaves and the sticks and everything that we need for the crafts tomorrow. And that will be it for today. That will be everything for today, yeah. Then we can take a nap and relax. Yeah. So I also got this little tripod because my camera broke and I had only this, you know. I had like attachment here to hold the phone to be able to record with my phone, but I cannot find it at the moment. So I was just putting my phone in places and that wasn't working. So I got this little thing to see if it works, if it helps in any way. It's supposed that you can bend it, you know, to grab it into places. So I hope that is helpful. It doesn't feel sturdy, but we're gonna see how it works. How it works out for me. I basically wanted any type of tripod for this, so I can put it here, and it fits perfectly. Okay, now I can actually use this one because it has this, and I can put my phone here. the next day. Oh shit, no. Okay. It is the next day. We are now in the woods because yesterday when we were going to the woods to pick out the leaves and pine cones and everything, he fell asleep. And I was like, I'm not waking him up. He took a nap in the car. I went to pump gas. And now it's the next day and we are back. And we are finally going to go pick up the sticks and the pine cones and some fall looking like leaves if we find them. So yeah. Como la mano. Muy bien. Skills and everything. They even have mini tools. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. I will buy everything. That's the problem. They have hey. Por favor. They even sell like the whole kitchen thing. Sensory table. Why are you cardboard? Oh, the towel. They have everything. Yeah, I know. Espérate, mi vida. So, finally, we got it. Is the torre de aprendizaje. We're gonna do an unboxing for it. Wow. We got so many pieces. And I love that we get a free box to make the pieces with. A different sizes of card boxes inside that we can play with. You know? Así. Ole. Y ahí tiene otra, mira. Ahí tiene otra. There's 4 pieces like this. And then he's gonna open them. Okay, we're gonna use them another time. So this is the box. This is what's in the box. It all comes like this. And now we have to open it and see what is it that we have to do. It comes with a warranty of 3 years. this is basically how it looks, how it ended up looking like after 2 days of drying. He loves it. I love it too. It's really cute. I mean, it's simple. It doesn't. We tried it, okay? It was just an activity to do together. It does need a lot of supervision because you are using glue and there is little pieces, and of course it's not perfect. But you have to keep an eye on him or keep an eye on your child. So at the beginning I started recording, but later on I decided not to because it's basically not really a toddler's friendly activity. It kind of is because it's something that you do together with them, but you cannot leave them alone. You cannot take an eye out away from them while you're doing it, because it has little pieces, because it has glue in both things that they shouldn't be left alone with.